Hey guys, welcome to AZ Stuff. Today we are gonna see about the Redmi 4 unboxing. It comes with a pretty good packaging. It's sort of an iPhone type of package here. We got the two variants, the black and gold color variants. Let's unbox it and see. We have both of the 3 GB and 32 GB variant, which cost about 9,000 rupees in India. That's the gold and the black one. Okay, first take a look at the gold one. After taking off this seal, let's open up the box and take a look at the phones. The black one seems to be pretty good than the white. White and gold. The phone itself has a good metallic finish. It is boasting a metal unibody design and gives a good comfortable feeling in the hands. It also has a 2.5D curved glass, which makes it much premium device. Looking at this one, it has a full all metal black. The chamfered edges is the amazing one, but there is a fine lines machined with the unibody design. Let's see the paperworks. There's a star value for those who likely to know the star values. Here it is. So this is a budget phone. It doesn't come with headphones, but instead of the headphones we are getting good quality charger which outputs 5 volt and 2 amps, and the micro USB to USB cable included in the box is shorter than usable. And this is the SIM ejector tool you are getting from this device. And the charger, which has a 5 volt 2 amp output, is faster to other phones which has a lower capacity batteries, but the Redmi 4 comes packed with a 4100 milliampere battery, so it must take some time to get at the first charge. Look at the both devices side by side. We have good looking curvy edges. Let's take a look at these devices. Let's take a quick look over the specifications of the Redmi 4. The Redmi 4 comes packed with the Snapdragon 435 and the Adreno 505 processor. The camera is a front of 5 megapixel f2.0 shooter and the back 13 megapixel f2.2 aperture lenses. Display is 5.0 inches and 720p display. The device comes with the 3 different variants, either 2 GB 16 GB variant and a 3 GB 32 GB variant, and finally 4 GB and 64 GB variant. In India, the 3 devices cost around 6,000, 9,000 and 12,000 rupees. Let's peel off the plastic covers and reveal the beauty of the phone. As I said first, this is good looking phone for this price point. Let's turn on the device and take a look at the first boot. The screen is pretty reflective. The Xiaomi Redmi 4 comes with the MIUI 8, which is supported by the Android 6.0 Marshmallow. But the Redmi 4 will soon get updated to Nougat. Okay, after booting, we are choosing the region to India. Then it comes preloaded with this fifth keyboard and Google keyboard. Let's add the fingerprint to the device. The fingerprint reader is very faster than I expected. The Xiaomi's own user interface MIUI 8 has developed very much than these previous stages. It has a theme selection options, and there's millions of themes in the theme store. We can select or we can create a custom one. After completing the setup, let's move on to the interface. The Redmi 4 is a dual SIM device. Both SIMs support 4G and voice over LTE. For additional memory, we can add a 128 GB memory card, but we should sacrifice a SIM for that. The software is buttery smooth because of its 3 GB RAM combined with 6.0.1 Marshmallow. It's good experience for the users. The gaming session is also very good. We can play high-end games on this device because of the Adreno 505 GPU. Okay guys, let us know what you think about the Redmi 4 and explain us this is a budget king or not in the comments below. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more videos click the subscribe button. If you need the review on the Xiaomi Redmi 4, then add it to the comments. Okay, bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel AC Stuff Forum. Bye from me, Arvind.